Hey, I'm Holly with Keto Chow, and this is Chef Taffney from New York.
That's right. And I have been having a blast making recipes with Keto Chow meal replacement shakes and shake flavors. And we're going to make another recipe right now, and this one is super simple. Smoothies used to be one of my favorite all occasion meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I was the smoothie queen. I made a lot of smoothies in my career as well. Sometimes when you decide you're going to have less carbs in your life, you start to miss your smoothies. Because I don't know about you, but I don't fill up a jar with bananas and mangoes anymore and pulverize it and drink it. Although those were the good old days. So I am going to make a strawberry coconut smoothie. This has got a little bit different source of fat from some of the typical Keto Chow things that I make, or the typical Keto Chow regular drink mix, because I am going to be using full fat coconut milk for this. So it's going to taste strawberry coconut, and that's going to be a good source of exciting fat for us. I have mixed, and this recipe is on the website, Strawberry Coconut Keto Chow Smoothie. And where can we find them on the Keto Chow website, Holly?
You go to the Keto Chow homepage, and there's a tab for resources, and in the resource tab, there's a tab for recipes. The recipes, you can look at all the recipes at once, or you can choose a flavor and see at least 3 recipes for that flavor.
Nice. So I am going to start with a mixture that I made and already allowed to chill, which is my strawberry Keto Chow powder and 8 ounces of plain water. There's some liquid in our coconut milk, and we've got ice. So we're going to mix that all together. That'll make up for the rest of the liquid that we would normally have. But I wanted to make sure that this was fully activated, fully blended, so I just let it sit overnight the way you normally would with a Keto Chow shake. And I'm just going to put that right into the blender.
Oh, it almost looks like pudding.
Yeah. Yeah, another fun thing to make with our Keto Chow. I just think that making recipes and putting together new dishes with this it's just always fun and exciting. I just really love experimenting with it and seeing, what kind of new thing I'm going to
Well, and like when I have a recipe that calls for a protein powder, I just choose Keto Chow. I just choose a flavor that would go with that recipe and use the Keto Chow as my protein powder.
Yeah, absolutely.
It works great.
We are going to have just 1 strawberry. Believe it or not, 1 medium or large strawberry, which I have just hold this and cut it into a few pieces just so it'll blend. If you have frozen strawberries, great. Just throw a frozen strawberry in there too. It'll make it a little more frosty. I've got one here just so we can garnish it a little bit if we feel like it. And just to show kind of the idea of the size that I had, sort of a fairly large, decent sized strawberry. That's gonna go in there. Our coconut milk.
Oh, you gotta get all your fat.
Yeah.
Don't leave that fat
Don't leave
behind.
that behind. And a little ice. And obviously, the ice, hey, add as much or as little as you'd like so you get the texture you like. It's just more water. And I'm going to blend it. This is going to be noisy. And that looks good. Old habits die hard. I always try to get every little bit out of everything. And that's our strawberry coconut smoothie. And believe it or not, that 1 strawberry, it gives it quite a bit of flavor and makes it feel like you're having a fruity, delicious treat.